How's it going, guys? FX Street coming to you with an updated video on Polkadot against the US dollar. Still bearish, possible short-term pullbacks. Before we get into this video, make sure you guys know, check us out on YouTube at FXS Street and our Twitter at FXS Crypto. Yeah. Oh, man. Let me go back. Yeah. So, yeah, guys, that ultimately, look, man, I have a $4 target, $5 target. I was trying to be reasonable here and kind of say, how are they going to sneakishly get away with this while Bitcoin pumps? And, this was just some scenario that I was thinking, when things are getting confusing, it's likely a triangle is forming somewhere. But is this really that confusing? Not really, huh? This is just a straight impulsive decline. Um, do keep in mind the volume is tapering off, even on the 3-day. I like the 2-day and the daily. That can be considered your fifth wave impulse right here. So 3, 4, 5. This could actually be the move. Is it going to bottom? What's the RSI saying? What's the RSI saying? You've got some divergence. Yeah. So yeah, look for a move. I won't say that, the possibility of this to come back up to $9 is possible. I won't just say that it's not. But ultimately, I just had this $5 target for a reason. I'm kind of sticking with it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, this could be this could have just been also A. This is B, which could break through. Come into 599, 550 even, but it come down here, and then C can come back up for $9. It could also be that way. So multiple ways that this thing is going to come down to the $4 zone. You see it just break up here, and then it's likely to go back to 9 and 10 if it stops halfway. Ultimately, even if it rises back up to $10, it's going to sharply decline back into 5 anyways, long term. So it's not one of the charts that I really find an interest in. I understand that there's some guys that have some positions in this. I want to know what's up. So yeah, there's some divergence. If this can print a divergence in the next day and a half, I wouldn't be surprised if we see a move. Like I said in the other chart, man, Bitcoin dominance is going to pull back. It is going to pull back. So those you don't know, yeah, Bitcoin dominance is going to pull back, man. So what do you think is going to happen here? What do you think is going to happen here? Okay, so either range bound, then pullback, or straight pullback, which means the altcoins are going to bleed. Okay, altcoins are going to bleed. Sucks. It's not just like you can trade one chart these days. You got to be aware of all of the scenarios. And we also have news events that should not be affecting crypto, but are. This is not how this thing used to work, right? So yeah, inflation. It's crypto's to blame, and crypto is now the sufferer of it as well. This doesn't even make sense, but these markets are highly induced by smart money, and it's not what they said it was going to be. But it is what it is. A lot of people have money invested, so they want to know what's going on. $4 long term. Wouldn't be surprised for a pullback. I'm not trading this chart. It's not one of those charts that look promising. It's not one of those charts that look promising, unfortunately. Give a new low on the RSI. Yeah, see, you got some divergence. Yeah, is that divergence? Nah, not yet. Wouldn't be surprised if we get a pullback and some consolidation. Let's drop. Yeah. Can't short this either. Can't short it. It already looks too impulsive. Can't just jump in. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It could be all already done. Get a huge spike. Get a huge spike. Don't short the bottom of this. Don't be a breakout trader on this. Look at the volume. This could be the last wave for a bit. Let's see if we get the divergence on the 2-day chart. If you do, nice doji hammer candle, something like that, then yeah, this can make a pullback. This is what we're trying to catch these days. They're little oversold bounces. This is what crypto has become. Fighting for oversold bounces. This is not what we signed up for, huh, guys? This is their updated video on Polkadot against the US dollar. Be careful with your positions. Be careful with your portfolio. It's not worth getting into this risky market just yet. Make sure you guys know FX Street on YouTube and FXS Crypto on Twitter, and see you guys on the next one.